Hi, Katie, and everyone over at Godwin Heating and Cooling. My name is Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Wanted to go over a few things for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. Three things: content, citation, and backlinks. So content first is not just the words on your website. It's also the pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So you guys have a clean website here. Not sure if you built it or who you guys had build it, but content is king in the eyes of Google. And so any page you're trying to rank with Google, you're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words. That's the magic number. Just by taking a quick look here, I'm going to say you have between 500 and 700 words. So not quite there to the amount that we recommend for ranking your pages. So any page you're trying to rank, 1,500 words is the minimum. So I typed in, this is your services page, and still you're probably looking less than 500 words. And then in those words, you're going to want to make sure to include buyer intent keywords. So just go in, do some research and see how many words you got, and make sure to be keeping up with the competitors. 1,500, that's that magic number. Next is citations. So this is what we like to call the map pack. This has to do with citations, which is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. Any directory on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed is going to give you a citation. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in various categories in this GMB. So I typed in HVAC Grand Rapids, and I didn't see you guys. I see G Rapids, Jacobson's, Grand Rapids Heating and Cooling. I'm not seeing you guys. I'm not seeing you guys here. So next, I have your GMB pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. Not sure how long you've had this. 9 reviews. So the number of reviews we recommend minimum is 25. So you're at 9. So keep pushing for those reviews. 25 minimum, and then once you get to 25, if your competitor has 60, you're going to want to push for 61. So you're going to want to keep pushing for those reviews, but 25 is the magic number at least. And then also pictures. So it looks like you didn't put any pictures in here. We recommend 10 photos minimum, and then just make sure those photos are saved properly. And that's definitely going to help increase your map pack effectiveness, and then help you rank up in it as well. Everything else is pretty good. You got phone number, hours, address. Everything else is good, but like I said, 25 reviews, 10 pictures in your map pack. And then lastly is backlinks. So backlinks are anywhere on the web that your business URL is at. And so you have 5 backlinks from 3 referring domains. And then this is your rating. So this is your URL rating and your domain rating. And it's kind of out of whack here. So typically your DR is lower than your UR, but regardless of the level it is, you're going to want them to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So you have a 10 UR with a 25 DR. That goes to show me that even though you have 5 backlinks, that they're probably not relevant and they're not helping you. So backlink is something that you want to have to give power to your site, and you only have 5 of them. So I'm not sure how long you've had this website up and running or if you're making any money from it, but definitely do some research on backlinks and go ahead and get yourself some more. The more the better, because you need to start bringing in, you should start bringing in some business via your website without having to pay for outside services like Angie's List or Home Advisor. And then lastly, this is your keywords. So obviously someone types in Godwin Plumbing and Heating, you're in the number 1 position. So for all these, but then again, that's going to be business that you've been referred, that you referred to them. So you met them, you gave them a business card, they go home, they type in your website, they're going to see this, you're going to be in the number 1 position. That's as to be expected. But then there was a couple I found. Heating and Cooling Grand Rapids, that's 100 volume. People type that in every month, and you're in the 18th position. So you're well into the bottom of page 2. So just do some research on keywords and make sure you add them to your content and embed it into your website, and that's going to help you That was just one keyword I found that was 100 volume every month that you're not getting a piece of because you're in the 18th position. So you want to be in the number 1 position. So I hope that this video finds you well, and I hope that you use this information to increase your sales. If you have any feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope you watched it, and thank you for watching it. And have a good 2021.